As a kid, I was always convinced my stuffed animals were coming to life and moving around when I wasn't there. If only I had a Kasa Smart EC60 indoor camera back then to prove me right, I wouldn't have sounded so crazy. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Today we're safeguarding your home with the Kasa Smart Indoor EC60 camera. The Kasa Indoor Smart Home Camera by TP-Link lets you live stream from anywhere with clear 1080p video. If you want to check in on your home while you're on vacation, or you want to keep a watchful eye on children playing in the other room, the Kasa Smart Indoor Camera will let you do that. Let me tell you all about this camera. It's time to unbox this. Let's get started. Here we have your quick installation guide. Here's some information about the Kasa app. Next up, we have the camera itself, and we have a peel moment. Amazing. This is your power adapter. And here is the cord. Okay guys, that's everything that comes in the box, so let's clear off the table and then I'll get into more details about the Kasa Smart Indoor EC60 camera. The Kasa Indoor Smart Camera offers a 130-degree wide-angle field of view, so you can place it in the corner of your home and get a good sprawling look at what's happening while you're not around. Teddy bears on high shelves, puppies in their doggy beds, and napping babies can all be viewed in plain sight with that lens. I feel like something's watching me. You can access 1080p high-quality video of your home straight from your phone. That kind of thing would provide me with such a sense of security. With two-way audio, you're able to speak to a barking dog or rambunctious children while live streaming through the Wi-Fi camera. In order to boost your security, you also get real-time motion and sound detection. You can set up your Kasa Smart Home Indoor Camera to send an alert to your phone whenever motion or sound is detected, even if it's dark out. Night vision can still detect movement up to 30 feet away. Not only that, you can also set customizable activity zones to highlight areas that are most important to you so that you receive alerts about the spots you care about most. If you want to hang on to your footage, Kasa provides options for your video recordings. You can save footage continuously on a micro SD card or subscribe to a Kasa Care plan to store 30-day video clips to the cloud. If you need a camera to serve as a baby monitor, a nanny cam, a pet camera, or a toy spy, the Kasa Smart EC60 indoor camera is a solid option. You get real-time notifications, live views of your home, and the ability to see far and wide in your home thanks to that 130-degree viewing angle. To shop for one of these, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys. You know what? I'm gonna take one of these.